Okay, you're here to check your answers for problem 5 and for problem 6. So for problem 5, you should have got 4x squared minus 13x plus 10. And for problem 6, you should have gotten 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. So if you got those answers, then go ahead on to problem 7 and 8 and then come back to check those. If you did not get those answers, then hang around so we can work on these two problems together. So first off, again, doing FOIL, so I'm going to start with the first item. 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times a negative 2 is negative 8x. Okay, looking at the second item, negative 5 times x gives us negative 5x, and negative 5 times negative 2 gives us a positive 10. Okay, so now, of course, we're not done yet because these two items can be put together. So I have negative 8 negative x's and I have 5 negative x's. So altogether I have 13 negative x's. So I'm going to have 4x squared minus 13x plus 10. And that's our final answer. Okay, let's take a look at problem 6 now. So one thing that you need to remember to do is you need to remember to write this out. When I have something squared, it means it's being multiplied by itself twice. Once, twice. And then we can start our FOIL method. So 3x times 3x, that's where I got the 9x squared. 3x times a negative 1 is minus 3x. Negative 1 times 3x is minus 3x. And negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. Okay, I have 3 negative x's and I have 3 negative x's. So altogether, we have 6 negative x's. So we have 9x squared minus 6x plus 1, and that's your final answer for number 6. Go ahead and move on to problem 7 and 8. Come back to check your answers.